Okay, so hi guys. I want to make this really quick video. I'm really sorry for the lack of uploads. I've been so busy. I haven't uploaded in such a long time. But I want to do this really quick video, or this tutorial, over how to do this problem. So we want to find the equation of the line that's tangent to f of x equals 2x plus natural log of x at x equal, or I'm sorry, at the point 1 comma 2. So here we want to make sure we understand the formula for the equation of a line that is tangent at a certain point. So let me just go ahead and write down if we are given a point x1 comma y1 comma y1, then this is going to be the following. It's going to be so then basically the equation of the line that's tangent will be y minus y1 is going to be equal to f prime of x1 times x minus x1. Now y1 is f of x1, so I do want to make sure that's clear. So y1 is equal to f of x1, and there's, of course, there's f of x1 and f prime of x1. So first we're gonna go ahead and figure out what y1 is here. Actually, I'm sorry, no. We already have y1. So in this case, we don't really need to find that. y1 is 2. So we want to go ahead and just state y1 is 2, and then x1. So this is y1 here, and then x1 is going to be over here. So x1 is 1. So let's go ahead, and now we're going to go ahead and find the derivative. So f prime of x, the derivative of 2x is 2, right? Oops. And then plus, and the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. So really, our derivative of f prime of x is 2 plus 1 over x. Now let's go ahead and do this part. So we're going to go ahead and state the following. So y1 was 2, so we have y minus 2 is equal to, and again, we want to find the derivative of f at x equals 1. So f prime of x1, f prime of 1, we're going to go ahead and say the following. This is going to be 2 plus 1 over 1. And so this will give me 2 plus 1, which is just 3. So f prime of 1 is 3. And so we're going to put this in. So we're basically going to say f prime of 1 and then times x minus 1. So then, and remember x1 is 1, so like this, right? And so then we're going to go ahead and do the following. Now, f prime of 1, like I said, that's 3. So we're going to go ahead and do the following here. We're going to put this in for this. Okay, so we have y minus 2 equals 3 times x minus 1. And so we end up with y minus 2 equals 3x minus 3. And if you add 2 to both sides, you get y is equal to 3x minus 1. Now this is the equation in slope-intercept form. If they want it in slope-intercept form, right? And then this is the equation in point slope. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, everybody. Now, as you can clearly see, let me go over here. Hold on. As you can clearly see, this is the equation of the line that's tangent. So the red equation is 3x minus 1, and we can clearly see that it is the tangent line to the curve of 2x plus ln of x, or natural log of x, at the point 1 comma 2. So that's how we can, you know, check if we got it correct. So we can clearly see that it is a tangent line. And just to remind you guys, a tangent line just means that, really quickly, a tangent line just means that at any curve, we can have some line that's tangent at a specific point on the curve. So for example, let's say right here, and this is not drawn to scale, but say at this point here, this is considered a tangent line at x equals c, if this is considered the c comma y, where x is equal to c. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. Please let me know if anybody has any questions, and with that being said, I do apologize for the lack of uploads. I will try to upload more videos, but thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, and or subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.